Those acts are driven by poverty. Nakalisod. Hindi man siguro na ilabuhat kung wasan sila naglisod, no? But these are social challenges that we constantly face every day. And it is a challenge not only with the LGU, but as well as the national government.
Yes.
Dako kayo nga trabaho na, dako kayo nga istoryahan, pero ang imo ra sa pangutana sa Councilor Liz kay ngano na siya. So,
Unsay mahimo
unsay mahimo
sa gobyerno?
Ha?
Unsay mahimo sa gobyerno about ani?
Sa kong ngayon, it is very broad. Dagan kayo aspect may kuana, and it's easier said than done. Of course, ako ang mahimo gyud sa gobyerno on that part to not eliminate poverty, but perhaps mitigate poverty level, poverty rate. This, of course, we have to entice more businesses to come, because if there are more businesses that would invest in our city, in our country, then more job opportunities will be available. At the same time, apart from that, which is also related, we also have to improve our educational system, or if not, the vocational trainings that nakakaroon usually sa bisigasa. Gamit niya po ng mga skilled workers ba? Because kay kung siyempre ang tao, kung wag din na siya magkaon na, labi na kung masakit po din ang anak, worst comes to worst, kung kapit mo ganun pangatalim, di ba? What gawatan, is it a maingon ba natong na siya nga kanang okay lang ba? Dili po. Because sa akong balakod, it's a crime. But in the kanang humanitarian aspect side of things, of course you would pity them. Okay, again, those acts were made because it is driven because of poverty.
Sir,